When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag Recipes. With me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare yellow cucumber dal in restaurant style. Preparing of this dal is very easy and same time it tastes delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the process. Take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add chopped garlic, jeera, mustard seeds, chana dal, white urad dal and curry leaves. Add dry red chilies and chopped onions. Now give a quick mix. Add turmeric powder, add green chili flakes and add yellow cucumber pieces. Now add required amount of salt. Add water. Now cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. And add boiled dal into it. Combine everything. Now cover with lid and again cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix everything. Switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl. So that's all, yellow cucumber dal was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare peanut cookies. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag Recipes and click on the bell icon.